Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel, the Russian Manicure. Today I'm gonna show the way how I am extending nail. And first of all, you can see I did not finish the actual manicure. I did not cut the cuticle, just because when we're gonna file the future nail, we do not wanna scratch or even touch by mistake our client's sensitive cuticle. So I put the first lay of the regular base, and now we are looking for the form. The form needs to be a little bit bigger than the actual nail. Remember, if just a form, it's not gonna be a fake nail. The nail gonna be from the hard gel which we are applying right now on the form. So I take a little bit of alcohol and trying to make a perfect nail on the inside. So obviously you can do it with a little brush, but with your finger it's just gonna be so much easier and so much faster. So I'm like approximately doing wherever a little bit bigger, a little bit longer than the actual length I want for this pinky. And you see, now it's really important. I do not apply the gel right next to the cuticle. I'm having 2 millimeters away, and that's actually it. So why am I doing that? I'm gonna show you my nail in a few seconds. Check it out underneath. It's really important. You do not have to have any separation between the nail and the actual gel. So right after that, check it out a few times. And so you see right now, why am I, it's already 2 months nail, and it was kind of like a little extension. So, and you see no bumps, it looks like your real actual nail. So, and this is just my favorite sound. All right, that's actually it. All you need right now just to file it on the top and underneath and file the shape. So, and you can see when I'm gonna file the actual the top part of the nail, I'm not touching the cuticle. That's the whole secret of why am I have this like a gap between the extension and the nail. Because first of all, it's gonna look super natural. You're not gonna see no bumps. It's literally gonna look like your real nail. And the other reason, we never gonna be able to touch and hurt our client. So underneath, the same way, just to file a little bit if it's necessary. If not, bad, it's like good job. So filing the shape today, my client wants like a squarish. And make sure you're checking when you're filing the shape, check from the all the sides, because the client don't mind to like you're the one who is gonna um turn the hand. The client doesn't know what to do, so do not be afraid just to move your client back and forward. If you need it upside down, you do it upside down. So, and right now you will see, again, I have not even little bump between the cuticle and the nail. So, and now it just looks like it's her real nail. So after that, I'm gonna cut the cuticles because it's not gonna be no filing job anymore. So in this case, we can cut the cuticle and we can work with the little drill again, just to make sure we I don't know, kind of like a polish the skin and to take away all imperfections. I didn't know the video is gonna be in the focus, but it's all right. You got the you got you got what we're doing. All right. So right now I'm gonna work with a drill, like usually forward. And you see right now I saw a little bit like a bump from the gel, from the hard gel, and now it's a perfect time to check every little details, all the imperfections, and you will be able to delete it with this little drill. And we're working on the left side because I am righty. I'm working on the left side like usually first, and right after that I'm gonna work on the right side, which is gonna help me. Guys, do not be afraid to cut the cuticle again. If you see it's like not perfect or something you don't like, it's okay to go with your scissors again. Just be super careful like usually. And now You see, it's a perfect nail. Perfect nail. So you're not gonna see no bumps, and yeah, that's actually it. You see, I saw a little imperfections and I just filed it down a little bit, but from the cuticle you see no bumps and it looks like a real nail. That's actually it. Thank you.